Hey,
YouTube's himbo-in-chief Markiplier just crushed OnlyFans with his golden gamer cheeks.
uh, uh, what?
That sounds like a type of headline you see on Plague Inc.
I guess, yeah.
What's up, UNSC Marines? This is Matthew Chief 17, and welcome back to Left 4 Dead, or should I say Left 4 Flood.
Yep, and yeah, my brothers and sisters out there watching me, yeah, welcome back to Left for Flood, where Chief has been getting popular off of, Paw Patrol videos. It's just literally videos of him
Yes.
screaming at dogs.
Basically real life, yeah.
Yeah, I am,
Don't ask why.
I am hoping that, this is working.
Yeah, I hope so too. Because today we're doing Hard Rain. We're gonna get a lot of good reactions. Because Hard Rain, I loathe this this campaign mission. I mean campaign chapter. Not because I hate it, because it's not. It's because it's filled to the brim with witches and possible jump scares through loud rain.
Wow.
This is where the game's gonna turn a bit more on the horror side.
Oh, wow.
Just matters even worse. I'm a little rusty since I have not played this game in months, especially on keyboard and mouse. I tried to plug in my controller, but it's not working. Apparently, Steam is telling Microsoft to go screw themselves. I mean, I don't know if that's literal, but at this point, it probably is.
Yeah. It's been acting weird. Yeah.
I'll throw the anchor just offshore, waiting for you. I'll be right here for you now. Hurry back with the gas.
God, the proportions look so bad. Freaking Spartans.
Signal Virgil with
On your
the flare
screen, it's
gun
just,
and the gun bag.
I cannot
Maybe we
move.
should just,
I cannot move.
Oh,
Hang on a second. I
hell.
think I know what's
Tell
wrong.
me someone brought the gun bag.
You didn't grab the guns?
Look, I'm a generously
Just,
proportioned
okay, there we
man.
go. There we go. We don't need to restart.
Ah, good. Good.
Pretty much everybody. Right across the street.
Oh, there
Let's
we
just
go.
get the gas and then we'll figure out how
the
to
middle,
signal Virgil.
Is the middle thing a black square for you as well, Matthew? Is
No.
with the ring around it?
Huh? It's a Halo Rectical, the Halo Magnum
Yeah.
Rectical.
Is it the Halo Rectical for you as well with the black
Yeah.
box around it?
No.
Well,
No,
it is
because
for
you're
me.
using. Oh. Well, as long as you can still see most of your screen.
Yeah, I can still see most of my screen. Yeah, there's probably just a weird bug going on with me.
First aid here. This is the best
Grabbing a Molotov.
damn burger tank I have ever visited.
Oh man. Yeah, there's something a little weird going on because there's like textures on the VM mod that are not coming up.
Armored casket. Yeah.
Reloading.
whatever.
Ammo here.
Alright, so I'm guessing these are like old, since it's been quite a good while since
Hey,
since
I'm reloading.
the previous update to this game, so I'm guessing mods also needed to be updated too, but since they're still working, I mean, we might as well not waste our time.
Reload. That's it.
Yeah,
Nice
right.
shot.
Charger!
Charger!
Oh jeez! It got the cheese! It's got cheese!
Reloading.
Oh yeah, if I remember correctly, I did go out and like grab a whole bunch of
Out of gas.
mods that added more Halo-looking vehicles.
Oh yeah.
Other
Hurry up and do
things,
this
yeah.
before the storm hits.
And more Halo-looking guns. Like I'm pretty sure I got most of the guns to look Halo.
Reloading.
Yeah. Like I went like on a spree, bro.
I'm a reload.
All these mods, and yet this game still somehow works. It just shows that Bethesda, they're just lacking in the game department now.
I mean, this is all mostly just visual and audio replacement mods, so... Oh, that's,
Hey, I'm
that
reloading.
was a grunt.
Reloading.
Oh shit. What is that? That looks like an elite.
Yeah, that was spitter.
Yeah,
I
that
already
was
got
an elite.
I already got it.
Reload.
Oh, wait, I forgot. My freaking flashlight's still on.
Oh shit.
No, freaking mother for me.
Did
Do me a
someone
favor and defend me. Yeah,
do that, or was it me standing on it that caused it to go off?
Reloading. Hey, look out.
Keep shooting. Reloading.
Reloading. Gotta reload.
Matthew, why are you standing still? Matthew? Hello?
Reloading.
Try to remember where the ammo dumps are at. We might need some on the way back.
Matthew? Ah, shit. Chief! Go on, Chief. Well, I guess he's not gonna be here for a few seconds.
Boomer sneaking around.
And I am back.
Oh yeah. Apparently a boomer
Alright.
sneaking around.
Oh, I just wrecked that hunter.
Jockey!
I'm a reload.
Oh shoot, that's right, I forgot. How do I... Okay, what is my dead one?
I'm reloading.
Oh my goodness. I hate Christmas.
I mean, I don't think you hate it, I just think you hate that your family keeps pulling you away.
Yeah. First off, my mom is... Apparently she got a new storage thing, and... Well, she's trying to do it by herself, thankfully.
Hey,
And unfortunately, her doing it by herself is, still means we still like interfering with our personal lives.
Still spoken.
And my dad just texted me, what does my mom want for Christmas? It doesn't matter what she wants for Christmas, you can buy her a freaking Lamborghini and she's not going to be grateful.
reload.
Reloading.
We got a hunter.
For you hunters.
And this is like a lot less dead
Reload.
than I was thinking they would be.
Yeah. Hold up. What?
Reloading.
And I still don't know, how do I turn off my flashlight? There we go, F.
I can hear a jockey.
What do I?
And this is the part, this is just around the part where the witches start coming in.
Oh, thank you, Coach, for saving my ass.
Reloading.
I keep thinking I could sprint, but then I'm like, oh wait, no, this isn't Halo.
Nice shot,
Yeah.
coach.
Well, I mean it is, just left for
Look
dead.
out now. Reload. Defib unit here.
Which reminds me, Matthew, have you Oh jeez, oh jeez, so many.
Reloading.
And someone picked off the witch. How did I startle the witch? Are you kidding me? I was nowhere near her.
I'm a reload.
Oh, I'm super.
All right, good.
I don't know
I
how.
startled the witch.
I don't know.
I
Healing.
was nowhere
Wait
near
up
her.
now. I got something for you.
Okay.
Are you kidding me?
Really?
Reloading.
Reloading.
Die already, please.
Reloading.
Crowbar.
We can cut through this garage sale.
Leave the lightsaber for later. Anyways, you were
Almost
saying?
night.
Alright, so, frick, what was I going to talk about? Oh yeah, I recently got Sonic Frontiers. You wanna know how good it is? Really goddamn good.
I hate hunters so bad. I hate hunters so freaking bad. Like they only go
Hey, I'm
after
reloading.
me.
Feel cheap first aid. I'm trying. There you are.
Hey, can somebody watch my back? I'm gonna heal. Reloading. Here you go.
First off, even with a freaking wrist, wrist rest or whatever these things are called, my wrist still getting cramps. I hate playing on keyboard and mouse. Nice, put salt in the wound.
There's only one thing excited I feel good against. And that's a
Reload.
tank.
Watch out!
Man, we killed that tank real quick. They
Reloading.
Okay, now she wants me to move my truck back.
I'm a reload.
I'm moving out of my parents' house. Next year, I'm 100%. I need to save up money and move out of my parents'
Come on, close
house.
the
I'm
door.
not living with them another year.
Yeah, right? Alright. Close the door. Do not resist. Yeah, sorry, pal, but we're resisting. Damn, Rochelle over here being MVP all of a sudden after the disgrace that she fell in the first episode.
Isn't it? Hey, wasn't it in the second episode too?
Yeah. Then it was like the third and fourth episode. Did we do a fourth episode or did we...
This is the fourth episode.
This is the fourth episode. In the third episode, she went old beast mode on us.
Yeah.
Alright, so I got the battle rifle now. Or should I go for the shotgun? EMR, maybe? I'm gonna stick with the battle rifle.
Alright. Hey, hang on. Let me get back in the safe house.
Alright.
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 Yeah, I gotta move. Yeah, I gotta move my truck now. Apparently, it's a freaking requirement.
Ugh.
Be right back again.
Yeah, alright. Have unlimited ammo. Yeah. Damn.
Reload. I'm a
Coach
reload.
did not just protect me there.
One of those little jockey bastards is around.
Hey, I'm reloading.
And now she closed the garage door on me. Right when I moved my truck back, she closed the garage door on me, as if she was expecting me not to go back inside the house.
Really?
Yep.
Reloading!
Like I said, I ain't staying with them for another freaking year. There was a charger chasing me right after you, by the way.
In here.
Yeah, no. We're gonna resist hard.
This way. Hey, I think I heard a boomer.
How do I
Sky's black as pitch.
flashlight
Oh,
again?
you're kidding me.
Hey, keep shooting! Keep shooting! Reloading.
That was easy. It's already starting to rain too.
Gun like dinner.
Freaking boomers.
Reloading.
Those ones
Reloading.
turn off the flashlight. Oh, it's the up.
Reloading.
Reloading.
Oh, that's a witch.
Where is she? Oh, there she is.
Careful. Hunter.
Oh god, that's
Supposed to be multiple of them too. And this is bad. Just wait till you see the freaking cornfields. There's two of them right next to each other. How are we supposed to get past that? Oh, okay, getting right towards us. Getting right towards us. I don't know. That thing that blew up in that woman's face and she didn't even flinch.
Alright,
Oh,
I'm
there you
here.
are.
Oh,
Shot
there's
that one.
more.
So that I don't run to the witch. Okay, I think. Okay, I'm good.
Alright, let's agree that if someone
We're in.
startles the witch, that's their
Damn
own
phone.
goddamn fault.
Jockey!
Have you ever noticed that my parents only decide to do
get out
big
here and
stuff
find our
when I'm
bearings.
here on the weekends? Never when I'm gone on the weekdays?
Shooter!
I accidentally started the witch.
I'm down!
That was my own goddamn fault. I thought she was a normal infected.
You right?
God damn it. An idiot.
Appreciate it, coach.
You straight?
Stop moving.
Anyways, you ever
Ryan,
notice
this
that?
hurts.
Oh, Rochelle wants
Stay
to
with
heal
us.
me. Heal me, bitch. Oh, no, no.
Hey, wait
okay,
a second.
it's fine.
I gotta
Fuck.
heal. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, listen to this. I'm pretty sure my mother bought that storage unit for about a week now, and she didn't even bother to use it. It's only now, when I'm home, that she decided to use it.
Jeez.
There's the gas station! Through the wheat field!
That sugar cane, bro.
Thank you,
Like, they don't need to do everything all at once. They could have just been, like, doing it, like, piece by piece.
Yeah.
Oh god, they're climbing up.
There's a junkie on my back for a second. Oh god, Hunter.
Oh god!
Oh,
It got
oh
me!
wow, the Hunter got...
Thanks,
The
Chief.
Hunter didn't freaking pounce on me for long. Actually shooting you. God, my freaking wrist is getting cramped.
I think we need to go upstairs somehow, cause... Oh wait, no, that's the elevator right there.
Oh, we gotta wait for the elevator.
Into the elevator, boys! Go! I want female. How we going?
Alright. Here we are. We're at the cornfield of the witches. Stupid grunt.
God damn it. What's with all these
Alright, come on this pipe and
Witches
pray
must
that a
really
witch
love sugar.
is not right over here.
Keep moving. Just head for the side.
Oh no, we're pipeline. Yeah. We just started a witch. Oh, there's one right there.
Can anybody see that witch?
I hate this. I hate this so much. I hate this so much. There's really a witch right there.
Oh hey, the weird black box is gone from my room.
Get inside the gas station.
Yeah.
Safe room. Fuck yeah. Alright. Coach.
Get inside, y'all.
Rochelle, get the fuck inside.
We got it.
God. That wasn't fun.
There you go. Yeah. Oh, hey, and you want to know the part where I know that they do the big stuff on the weekends too, when only I'm home? Is
Well-
because I don't even work that long too. I may work 5 days a week, but I don't work a lot of hours. Like 6 hours, 6 to 8 hours maybe.
Jeez.
So I come home at like 3 o'clock at the minimum.
All right.
I've been
Everybody got a
working all
gas
day.
in hand? I do not want to make
That's
this
how I
shit
know
twice.
they only
Yep,
do
go
stuff
on.
on the
Getting back
weekends.
to the boat ain't gonna be as easy as getting here.
Let's hit it.
Ooh, an SMG. Yes, gimme. Thanks for sticking by me, Rochelle, but,
Oh shit! It's really storming.
Chief and Arbiter need you.
Alright, back near the hellhole.
Back through the field.
And pray even harder that we don't run into freaking witches.
Hey, look out!
Come on. Can I get in here without running into a witch? Oh god,
Oh, you can take this elevator back up.
that was a smoker. Come on. Everyone get inside. Freaking monsoon season.
Yeah, this looks like a monsoon from, Tucson. Love
What?
that place. Just sudden rains. Oh god, I hated how muggy everything felt.
It's better. Anyways, where'd you say it was from?
Oh, what?
Monsoon, where'd you say it was from?
Tucson.
Oh. Oh yeah, that's right.
Smoker around these parts.
This is basically monsoon season freaking
Everybody, back down the
Tucson.
stairs. Reloading.
Yeah, I ain't jumping down there. As much as I want to turn on my flashlight, I can't.
Motherfucker,
This does suck.
motherfucker took a big old shite on me.
Reloading.
I'll step away from everyone so that I don't attract the zombie
Reloading!
visual.
Oh god.
I'm gonna reload. Reloading.
Come on.
Reloading.
I missed all those shots. I hate keyboard and mouse.
Reloading.
I mean, I kinda aim better, but that's when I'm moving. When I'm standing still, I mean. When I usually
Reload.
shoot when I'm moving. It's difficult to move. Using WASD.
I hear a jockey
Hey, I'm
somewhere
reloading.
and I don't know where he
He's right here.
Reload.
is. Damn.
I just looked at that jockey right in the eye before he started riding me.
Reloading.
Is that going out of context quotes?
Yes.
Dang it.
Reloading.
That is a beautiful out of context quote. Hell, someone, if we get popular enough, someone might make an
pipe
out of
bomb here.
context quote compilation.
Oh my
Reloading.
god. I hate Hunter so bad.
Or maybe a fun video would be us just watching as just us going back through some out of context quotes that we've had.
There's a freaking jockey around here.
I mean, you can. I personally won't
Hey, I'm
upload to my
reloading.
channel because
Reloading.
I'm gonna wait until I move out of my parents' house before I start doing more mature content.
Yeah,
Up this
agreed.
pipe.
Cause here's a little announcement. I'm gonna not be family friendly anymore once I move out of my parents' house.
Reloading.
Even if
Reload.
even if my mother watches those videos, what's she gonna do? Evict me? Damn, I don't live with her anymore.
Reload.
No, the worst that she could do is try to force you to live with her again, so that she can enforce you under her rule.
Yeah, nah.
Reloading.
Yeah.
I honestly think even though I'm like spending most of my paychecks on rent, still think even that is gonna be better than living at this house. Just gotta wait for rent in Tucson to go down because it's really high because freaking inflation. Like it's not even a political statement I just made. It's like if it's so bad that that's literally affecting our daily lives, then it's bad.
Yeah. Oh shit, coach just hit. Yo.
Let's trade in one of the world's most deadliest weapon dealers, weapon smugglers, whatever you want to call him, for a frickin' WNBA player. Yeah, that's more important than
Y'all get ready
inflation right now.
If this rain keeps up, the boat can come to us.
People actually voted for that moron.
I don't understand how people voted for him. Like, clearly, he was going through some dementia.
Yeah, like, I know, I get it. Trump is not the best president. He's nowhere near the best president. Would I rather go for 4 years of him than go through a single frickin' more year with Biden? Probably.
Yeah. Yeah, I agree. Like, I think the main reason why
Man, the
he
whole place
lost
is
the
underwater.
election was because he was mean on Twitter,
Yeah.
which confuses me. Like, is that really what we're going to say is a good reason for not voting someone in? Because they were mean on an app that doesn't even relate to their presidency. Like, yeah, Trump's stupid. Trump's stupid, but
Yeah. I mean, people can go
reload.
way too far on Twitter though. Like, have you seen freaking Kanye?
I don't know. I'm not on Twitter for like drama or shit. Nah, I'm on Twitter to
Reloading.
see titties.
Yeah, same here. Oh Jesus.
Yeah, you're gonna have
But
to cut that
Kanye was
out.
basically.
Reload.
Yeah, I'm not cutting that out. I'm leaving this video uncensored.
Reloading.
Anyways,
Reload.
Kanye was basically glorifying the mustache man. say his name or else I'm gonna get my channel
I'm
taken
reloading.
down.
I remember that
Fucking
torch light.
censorship.
I shot that motherfucker.
But yeah, when I say Mustache Man, I'm pretty sure you already know who.
Oh, hey, that's a smoker.
But seriously, what the hell, Kanye, man? I used to listen to your freaking music.
Chief,
I don't know if
stop
he was having
coughing. You don't. You have ventilation.
Oh, you're talking to me. Oh, you're talking to me. I was like saying I'm actually going a good while without coughing.
No, I'm talking
Kinda
about
strange.
Chief over there, Coach. Yeah, you've been getting better with that cough, which is we should probably do like a PSA, like, yeah, this is the reason why we haven't been recording with each other in a while.
Reloading.
Yeah.
Yeah, Matthew's been having a ugly cough, which happens like every fall because I think, if I
There's
remember,
mold in the walls.
there's what?
There's mold in the walls. I'm allergic to mold. Believe it or not.
Yeah, yeah, which is why you're gonna have to get like a really nice apartment, not like super fancy or anything,
Hey, I'm
just
reloading.
like people actually give a frick about it.
Yeah. And I'm not saying that my dad isn't a hardworking guy, because he is, but he keeps calling me a Debbie Downer for literally predicting what's going to happen, because he usually does these stupid things while he's doing the handyman stuff, and it usually makes it even 10 times worse, and then he starts swearing like a freaking sailor about it. Like I'm saying beforehand that it was going to happen. He keeps calling me a quote-unquote Debbie Downer, but he didn't even try. Like, he didn't even try getting the mold out of the walls. And he's like saying, it's gonna cost us a fortune. Like, at this point, just get some mold professional to do it. And then it's not even gonna cost that much. I'm pretty sure he already spent almost $1,000 ripping down the walls by hand and trying to clean out the mold and, oh god, tank. Trying to do it all by himself, and I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die.
The bars are blocking me from getting pushed.
I'm down.
Oh god, a tank?
Why am I going up? I'm not going up.
Hey, over here.
He's still alive?
Reloading.
Yeah, the tank was still alive! What the hell?
Same as always.
Ah,
Oh, what we got here?
Chief, get the fucking
Don't worry,
safety.
Nick.
All right, good.
Don't worry.
Thanks,
Don't worry.
Coach.
I'm not done yet. The playground. Yeah, we're
Yeah.
almost at the dock.
Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking
so yeah, you didn't get rid of all the mold in the walls, so
Wait, Matthew, slow down.
Let me heat you up now.
Oh,
This is
thank
what
you.
friends are for.
So he didn't get rid of all the mold in the walls, and basically I'm stuck with this cough until I move out.
Yeah.
There's the wreck.
Question is, where was this safe house? Where was this safe house in the previous chapters?
The
Oh,
boat isn't much
no.
farther.
But, yeah.
Get inside, y'all.
Jeez.
Stick it up your ass.
But, yeah. It's only like during winter and spring does your cough go down.
Kind of, yeah.
It's like,
Man,
you'd think it would be
Rochelle
like
beat me
the
by only a few
opposite
points.
effect, but no. For some reason, brain calls it.
No, not gonna lie, even though this house is flooded, I'd still live here.
Let's go.
Yeah,
Almost
right.
back to the boat.
What are we
A
supposed
little
to
better
signal?
alternative than this
You can
freaking
use the
house.
burger tank sign to signal them.
It's worth a shot.
Like how Coach is the one who recommends Burger Tank.
Alright, so I'm gonna shotgun on this mission.
Are you sure this is the one where the horde
Reload.
appears?
Oh shit, it is.
Get to the bird.
Yeah, it is.
Battle rifle then.
Literally, yeah, this is literally the start of the mission. We gotta signal.
I'm a
We gotta
reload.
signal Virgil. We gotta signal Virgil from Devil May Cry so he can save us all.
Alright. Yeah, I can get down to that.
I am the storm that is approaching.
Hey, I'm reloading.
Oh yeah, that reminds me, man.
But
Sonic has joined the status group.
motivated status.
Yes.
Nice.
You wanna hear like a little bit of it?
Nah, I don't want to get copyrighted.
Huh?
I don't want to get copyrighted.
Right. After this then.
Yeah. I can barely hear each other.
Already got a good day for this mission. I'm going to call it Floodstorm. Flesh Storm? Storm of Flesh.
I think Floodstorm was good.
Floodstorm. Yes.
What should Parish be called?
I don't know.
Reload.
That's actually a good question. I don't know what to call
Reloading.
the Parish.
What is the parish
Charger!
based on?
I have no idea. Well, there's a giant bridge.
Alright.
Yeah, the final conflict takes place on a bridge.
The Flesh Knit Bridge.
Where do you get that from?
I mean, the Flood make like stuff out of their own flesh, so the Flesh Knit Bridge.
Baby. Oh, there it is. Oh, you send you flying.
Kill it, man. Kill it.
Alright, we killed him.
Oh god. Oh
Alright,
god,
so
I'm
Virgil
almost
is gonna
dead.
come through here.
I'm gonna heal you.
Wait a second. I gotta heal.
So we just gotta survive a bunch of waves
Oh
here.
yeah. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
You bastards is around.
Alright.
You hear me freaking slamming my mouse on the mouse pad because it turned the
God,
freaking
Johnny.
sensitivity up. Oh god. Oh god, I didn't mean to go down here.
Armored casket.
No. Hunter!
Oh, there's a tank out
Another
here.
tank.
I probably should have grabbed the sniper. Then I would kill that tank real quick.
We all gotta see.
No. No! Oh no. Oh, I thought the hunter was down here with me.
God.
Alright, hopefully it's not gonna take long for Virgil to show up.
Just imagine I Am the Storm starts playing.
Oh, bury the lights.
Bury the
Oh, yeah, that
light.
would be funny. There should be a mod. I wonder if it is a mod. Because the motivated meme is something that just resurfaced recently. Oh, he's here, he's here, he's here.
I mean,
on.
there's a reason why the motivated meme came back recently. It's because of Sonic Frontiers.
No, it's been it's been a thing for a while actually.
Help!
Like earlier this year.
Help!
Oh, God.
Tank! Chief, why
Oh,
are you
God.
just standing there with the tank?
Oh shoot. Oh shoot. Oh shoot. Alright, here you go. You're up. Okay. Alright, come on, hurry up, hurry up. Yeah, they should replace this music with Bury the Light. That's what they should have done. There
There's
we go.
music
We also
playing?
got it.
Oh my god, I didn't even realize that music was playing. God damn.
Yeah.
Damn.
Well then, that was definitely a lot easier than I was expecting.
Yeah, especially since it's been a while since we've actually played on this, so... I am
Okay.
bottom of the barrel, my guy. I mean, I killed a
Bottom of the
tank.
barrel.
Taking the least amount of damage isn't all that amazing, because taking the most amount of damage means that you've been getting all the zombies on your ass so everyone else can kill them.
Alrighty then. 1,143 zombies were harmed in the making of this film.
Damn. Alright, so like, that is the end of that episode.
Mm-hmm. I'm gonna find something cringy to say in the beginning of the next episode.
And damn, this man won't stop.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, so hope you all enjoyed this episode. Like and subscribe, all that other shit that YouTubers like to say. And I'll see you all in the next episode.
And this is Matthew Chief 17 signing out.